tastiest hamburger in the world. All right, y'all. We're gonna be using the bacon jam on hamburgers. That's what we're trying today. And I know I got the wrong bottle, but it's Uncle Steve's shake. We're using the original. That's right. And if you want to get you or look at all the different shakes that Uncle Steve at Uncle Steve's Shake makes, his link is always down in the description. Go over there, check it out. You will love these products that I show y'all, or I wouldn't be showing them. And then over here, the original bacon jam. If I can find this one, I'll leave a link to it, because they'll probably be able to find it. I'll just call it bacon jam. Uncle Steve Shake, a link. Bacon jam. Oh man, I am so excited about this. And I think I got one more bottle in there that might be going out to one of my subscribers. That's right. But hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. That's right, at the end you'll see a playlist to Papa's Kitchen. Yeah, it'll go there. We got a lot of cooks in there. We got another playlist to look at. Go look at them too. I welcome you to subscribe if you like my content, and ring that bell, the dinner bell, so you know when it's dinner time. All right, we're gonna go over here. I got other cooks cooking hamburgers on a Weber kettle. Get a little offset and then sear. Uncle Steve's Shake original will be on it, and then at the end I'm gonna throw on some of this bacon jam. And then Gigi's inside and she's making some haystacks. That's right, that'd be onion strings. I don't know if I put that video out there yet or not. If I did, I'll leave it at the end here too, because that makes your hamburgers pop. And you can't quit eating them on their own either. We will see. Maybe I'm gonna get this cook on. I'm gonna show you the very end of this cook when we put the bacon jam on it, all right? We'll see you then. Thank you. All right, so this is a kind of a mix of smash burger. I mean, I like them frying on the flat grill a little bit first and then smash them down, but we're doing it on the Weber kettle, so we're smashing them first. Very different than normal. We are using the J-Landa 1217 Backyard Barbecue, Manville, Texas. You can go over on Instagram and find him. I'll leave a link to his Instagram, and you can buy one of these. He's made newer handles that are really cool. This is very nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I've already smashed one, and that gives me an idea of how to make them. And we just smash it down, kind of on the flat side. Maddie's going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 more, and then we'll get the others made, and we'll be back. Right in the middle. All right, smasher, J-Landa 1217. Forgot to tell you, we're putting Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, the original shake. Link is down below. You will not regret it. You'll come back and thank me that you tried it. Right? All right. Maddie, go ahead and put that on there on the far left as far as you can and start stacking them in there. You talk about somebody who smashed a burger. These suckers look like I drove over them with my big 4-wheel drive truck. They're not even all gonna fit. They're gonna go so fast. But what I'm gonna do is they're gonna sit there. We're gonna add some Uncle Steve Shake to it. You put some on there, didn't you?
No.
Go ahead. We'll add it here in a minute. We got some apple going up over here. Get them on there. What I'm gonna do is I'll move them over and sear them a little bit, move them back off, because these are gonna go quick. These are way too thin, so Papa's gonna eat a tripler. I'll show you how she's getting them. Check this out. There she goes. She puts it up on there like that. It's a pancake. She brings it over here. All right, you need to stop. The big thing is we will be back when we do the bacon jam. Yeah. See that? Do it like a professional. Back up a little bit if you need to, and get her on there. Oh my gosh. The thinnest hamburger in the world. So we're gonna try this, a taste test this original bacon jam while we're waiting on this, and a couple of them have gotten dry because they're kind of thin. I don't know. I have no idea anything about this original bacon jam by Better Than Good, okay? So I'm gonna stick my finger in there. That's good. You like bacon? Get down a little bit so they can see you. Get down so they can see you. You're gonna like it. You're kidding me. It's got onions in it. It's got bacon in it. It's got barbecue sauce in it. I like it. We need to leave it off of your hamburger. And then Maddie made some spicy ranch for our onion strings. Whoo! If I had tonsils, she'd have burned them, man. You added more ranch, didn't you? A little bit more? Okay, now I can eat it. Here, let's see.
Keep it off of 2 burgers.
Woo! We're making beef jerky, people. Okay, people, these are way too thin. But anyway, so this is going on 2. Everybody taste tested it and said, nah, let's just skip that. Let's just put those haystacks on ours. But Papa's going with it. I'm just going to put a little bit on top right here. And what'd you not like about it, Maddie?
I just didn't like it.
All right, we'll grill this up and we'll make a sandwich and we'll be on video. There's my bacon jam burger with haystacks on top of it. I mean, those things are so awesome. I've got a video on making these. I don't think I've put it out yet. I made the smash burger. You know what? I have a freaking smash burger video that's like awesome. I'll leave it, I think, right there. It might be over there, but I think I'll leave it right there at the end of this video for you to go check out because it's like an awesome burger. So what I'm gonna do with this one, it's got the bacon jam on it, and Maddie didn't like the bacon jam. You know, it was raw when she tried it. Gigi didn't care for it. They said leave them off of theirs, but I still put it on mine. I'll smash it down. Maddie made the smash burgers too thin. They're like that. Yeah. And we had a hard time with that. Maddie's been eating the crud out of the haystacks. So she made ranch and sriracha, mixed it together, brought it to me. I dredged my finger through there and stuck it in my mouth, and if I had tonsils, it would have burned them off. So she went back in, she added some more ranch. She got it down, and she is taking those. She doesn't eat onion rings, okay? But she takes the haystacks, which is really onion rings, you know, and she dredges them through that spicy ranch and she's devouring them in there. She's eating her burger. Let's try this. Yeah. See how thin they are? Alright. Don't talk with your mouth full, Papa. Alright, so I have no problem with that bacon flavor. They did not try it once it was cooked a little bit on top of the burger. You got your onions, a little vinegar, bacon, a bunch of other stuff. It's a flavor. Had one little bite. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I think it's good. If I can find a link to the things I talked about, they'll be down below for you. Make it easy. You just go see Seymour. Seymour? Not Seymour. Seymour. It'll open up and it'll show you everything. And of course, when you need to buy something on Amazon, it doesn't cost you a dime more. You hit that any of my Amazon links and just go in there and just buy everything you want. It costs you the same thing, a little bit of that money because you go through that link. Comes back to Papa Texas channel. Helps us out. We spend a lot of money over here on Papa Texas channel. Way more than comes back to us. Anyway, that's another Papa's Kitchen for you. You have a fantastic rest of the week. It's Papa Texas. See ya.